You know, I can't say thank you enough to the professors and everybody that's helped me out. I've been very blessed. I could not have done this on my own. There is so many programs and so many things at this school designed to help students succeed, to get out in the field and feel like you're actually doing something professionally. Instead of just taking an exam on chapter 4, 5, and 6, it was like, here's science, here's how to be a scientist, go do it. My name's Jeff Shell. I am 39 years old. I'm from Spokane, born and raised, and I am studying biology and graduating in just a couple months. My experience back at Eastern has been really cool. The last couple years have been a blast. I really got to say, I feel like I've been given a lot of support and a lot of opportunity and a lot of privilege to be here, and I really appreciate that. I'm really grateful to Eastern for that. Professors like Dr. Magori or Dr. Milling, Dabrco, they're all highly involved in their labs and their students in their labs. I would go to Dr. Magori and say, well, what can I do? Where can I help? You know, and it ended up eventually with me running a whole project by myself on the wildlife refuge right out here, Turnbull. They've got a little invasive fish in the water out there. It's called a brook stickleback. It's just about that big. And they get a little parasite in their heart. So we wanted to see if that parasite was affecting the way that those fish acted or behaved. I went out and collected a lot of fish, a lot of little sticklebacks, and I had 100 fish in little individual tanks. There was a couple days where Dr. McGrory and I would go out to Turnbull together and gather fish and talk about life. You know, it was very mentorish. We looked at which ones were infected with the worm versus how much they were eating. To come up with this project and then go out and collect these fish, put them in tanks and run this whole thing, I feel like a scientist. You know, they made me feel like a scientist. I got accepted to grad school to go study octopus neurophysiology and behavior. That's my dream. I can't say enough about the support from the professors. They love having students want to be a part of it. It was fulfilling for them as much as it was fulfilling for me, and that's why I want to be a professor.